Get the clearest image. How to fix blurry CCTV camera footage. Security is paramount in our rapidly evolving world, and CCTV cameras play a crucial role in safeguarding our homes, businesses, and public spaces. However, one common issue that many people encounter with their CCTV camera systems is blurry footage. Blurry footage can severely hinder the effectiveness of surveillance and compromise the ability to identify potential threats. In this video, we'll explore the common causes of blurry CCTV footage and provide practical solutions to fix this problem, ensuring that your camera system operates at its full potential. Understanding the causes of blurry footage. Before diving into the solutions, it is essential to understand the various factors that can contribute to blurry CCTV footage. Some common causes include A. Focusing issues. Incorrect camera focus can lead to blurry images and videos. B. Dirt and dust. Accumulation of dirt, dust, or smudges on the camera lens can significantly impact image clarity. C. Vibration and camera movement. Cameras that are not securely mounted can experience vibrations or movement, resulting in blurry footage. D. Low light conditions. Inadequate lighting can affect the camera's ability to capture clear images, especially during night time. Ensuring proper camera placement. Proper camera placement is crucial for getting clear footage. Some tips to consider include A. Height and angle. Install cameras at an optimal height and angle to capture the desired area without obstructions. B. Avoiding direct light sources. Position cameras away from direct sunlight or other bright light sources that can cause glare or lens flares. C. Stabilization. Use stable mounts to prevent cameras from vibrating or moving during wind or other external factors. Regular cleaning and maintenance. To maintain clear footage, routine cleaning and maintenance of your CCTV cameras are necessary. A. Cleaning the lens. Use a soft microfiber cloth to gently clean the camera lens, removing dust, fingerprints, and other contaminants. B. Check for moisture. Moisture buildup inside the camera housing can lead to blurred images. Inspect and dry any wet components carefully. C. Replace damaged parts. If you notice cracks or scratches on the camera lens or camera housing, replace them promptly. Adjusting camera settings. Modern CCTV cameras often offer various settings that can be adjusted to improve image clarity. A. Focus adjustment. Ensure that the camera's focus is correctly calibrated for the specific monitoring area. B. Shutter speed and exposure. Adjusting these settings can help improve image quality in low light conditions. Upgrading camera technology. If you have tried all the above steps and are still experiencing blurry footage, it might be time to consider upgrading your CCTV camera system. Newer camera models often come with advanced image stabilization, better low-light performance, and improved lens technology. Conclusion. Having a CCTV camera system with blurry footage can compromise the security of your property or business. By understanding the causes of blurry footage and implementing the solutions mentioned in this video, you can significantly improve the clarity and effectiveness of your surveillance system. Regular maintenance, proper camera placement, and if needed, upgrading to newer technology will ensure that your CCTV cameras continue to provide reliable and clear footage for your security needs. Stay vigilant and keep your lens clear to stay one step ahead in maintaining a safe environment.